Let's install Coefficient. First, open a new Google Sheet, click Extensions from the top menu bar, click Add-ons, and Get Add-ons. Search for Coefficient in Google Marketplace, click the first result in the search results, and click Install. Click Continue, select the account, and click Allow. And you're done. To import data using a Snowflake connection, launch the Coefficient app by clicking the Extensions tab from the menu on Google Sheets. Go down to Coefficient and click Launch. This will open Coefficient in the side peek window. To connect to Snowflake, choose Import From, select your data source, in this case we will choose Snowflake, click Connect. Enter your account name, your database name, your username, and password, and click Connect. To import your data, select the Change Fields button here to choose a specific table to import data from. Let's import from the Store table. Click the table, select Columns, or select All Columns, and click Import. Once you're ready, you can click Import on the Coefficient app. And within minutes, we've connected to your Snowflake database.